In this video, I will show you a really easy affiliate marketing method that will make you over $1,000 a week. Hey there, welcome to Money Culture, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing by using this really easy method. A lot of people are making a killing with affiliate marketing, and you can too, by following these simple steps. So stay tuned, and I'll show you everything you need to know. Step 1. Find a high-quality affiliate program. When it comes to affiliate marketing, choosing a high-quality affiliate program is essential for success. From exploring available options, assessing each program's profitability, and to verifying payment terms, there are many factors to consider when identifying the best affiliate program. Evaluating affiliate programs can be time-consuming, but selecting an affiliate partner will guarantee lasting success with affiliate marketing and provide you with the greatest return on your investment. Step 2. Sign up for the program. After doing the research, the next step is to sign up for an affiliate link. Signing up is easy, all it takes is a few clicks. Signing up for such a program is also an investment in yourself. It could lead to personal growth, new perspectives, and brand new opportunities. Take the opportunity today and start seeing benefits tomorrow by signing up for the affiliate program. Step 3. Choose products to promote. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online. When choosing products to promote, selecting items you are passionate about and understand is very important. This will help you best explain the product's features and benefits to potential customers. Do your research on each product that you're considering promoting. You will need to read user reviews, study the manufacturer's website, and ask questions if there is something you don't know. After finding the products that best align with your personal interests, create compelling content that will educate, inform, and influence readers to purchase. Step 4. Write compelling product reviews. Writing compelling product reviews is a great way to promote your affiliate marketing. To create successful reviews, you need to be honest and informative. Presenting an unbiased look at the product can help potential buyers make clear decisions, while also providing customer traffic to affiliate links in a non-overbearing manner. Additionally, as with any good review, including quality images of the product is essential for engagement. A well-crafted product review can do wonders for affiliate marketing campaigns. Step 5. Place links to the products in your blog posts or on your website. If you want to increase your affiliate marketing earnings, one powerful strategy is to include links to the products you promote in your blog posts or website. By doing this, you will make it easier for people to find and click on affiliate links, ultimately resulting in more sales for you. Additionally, linking directly to a product can provide readers with more information before deciding to buy it. Thus, using affiliate links in your blog post or website can effectively make affiliate sales. Step 6. Drive traffic to the products you're promoting. While affiliate marketing is becoming increasingly popular, driving traffic to your promoting products can be challenging. To succeed, affiliate marketers need to ensure potential customers know their product exists and take them directly to the affiliate website. The best ways to do this is by optimizing content for search engine results with relevant keywords, developing partnerships with influencers, targeting the right audience through social media campaigns, and running advertising campaigns on platforms such as Google and Facebook. When these tips are followed correctly, affiliate marketers will easily see increased web traffic and, ultimately, more revenue from affiliate sales. Step 7. Collect payments and bonuses from the affiliate program. The advantages of joining an affiliate program are twofold for savvy business owners. Not only does it serve as a great resource for earning extra cash through referrals, but it also provides an opportunity to collect payments and bonuses that can boost your bottom line. With diligent effort, it's possible to earn significant commissions just by referring customers to vendors in a variety of different industries. By investing in this type of program, you'll have access to more potential growth opportunities and help ensure that your business stays on track financially. With each successful referral, you'll be one step closer to maximizing potential profits while expanding your market reach. Step 8. Rinse and repeat. Affiliate marketing is a fast-growing industry, and with it has come to an increasingly popular notion: rinse and repeat. The idea of rinse and repeat is simple. To achieve success in affiliate marketing, you have to create something that's working. Rinse it with new elements, like visuals or content pieces, then repeat the successful formula over again. This tactic can help marketers save time and effort while increasing their chances of success. It may take some trial and error to get the right recipe going, but once that's established, affiliate marketers can start to benefit from the consistent results this method can bring. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can greatly earn extra cash and boost your bottom line. By following the steps we have outlined in this video, you will be well on your way to success with affiliate marketing, from placing links in blog posts or websites, driving traffic to products you're promoting, collecting payments and bonuses from the program, and repeating successful tactics for consistent results. To learn more about how to succeed at affiliate marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel today. With weekly videos full of tips and tricks that are designed specifically for digital marketers like yourself, it's never been easier to stay informed. So don't wait any longer. Hit subscribe now so you won't miss out on valuable content that could help take your business even further than before.